Hello, my name is Adit Nawal and I am part of group 3 where my other members are Zaid Hassan, Mir Modi, Harsh Patel and Samaria Gobi. Today we are going to be talking about the topic body cams integrated with facial recognition softwares, and we are going to be talking in favor or pro of the proposition that police body cams should be fitted with facial recognition softwares. So just to give an intro about the issue, police body cams and facial recognition technology both serve different purposes. When police body cams record people and make police less likely to take advantage. On the other hand, the facial recognition technology scans the biometrics and runs it through the databases to identify the people, not only where have they been, but also what crimes they have committed in the past and what data the government has on them. Pairing these two has been a controversial decision on the past, and let's see an overview about why. So, half of the American adults are currently in the law enforcement facial recognition network. That means that they have their faces or biometrics stored in these government databases, and companies are racing to integrate this technology of facial recognition with body cams, hoping to eventually use artificial intelligence to recognize faces captured in real time despite privacy concerns. Once facial recognition softwares are installed with body cams, it could dramatically increase the number of individuals logged in law enforcement facial recognition networks and enable police officers to be a sophisticated surveillance mechanism. And in addition to that, there is also possibility that bad actors might get hold of this data, and that can affect the people of color in a negative way.
Now I'm going to give you benefits of using facial recognition with body cams. The first benefit is protecting law. Facial recognition technology has several benefits in crime prevention and public safety. First, it enables law enforcement to quickly identify and track down criminals, which enhances their ability to prevent and respond to crimes effectively. Secondly, the rapid identifying and verifying individuals during routine stops or emergencies, police can better protect the public and potential threats and provide a quicker response to critical solutions. Furthermore, the presence of facial recognition in body cams can act as a deterrent for potential wrongdoers, as they are more likely to think twice before committing a crime when they know their identity can be determined. The second benefit is enhancing officer safety and efficiency. Facial recognition technology offers several benefits to law enforcement. Firstly, it helps improve situational awareness by providing critical information about individuals they encounter. This assists officers in making informed decisions quickly and staying aware of potential threats. Secondly, facial recognition can reduce officers' stress by automating the process of identifying verification. It reduces the stress and cognitive load on officers during high stress situations, allowing them to focus on de escalation and effective policing. Third, the speed of facial recognition saves valuable time in identifying suspects or individuals with outstanding warrants, enabling officers to resolve incidents faster and with fewer resources.
One of the countries that have been consistently utilizing facial recognition software both within the field of law enforcement and outside of that field is China. A few instances where China has used facial recognition on security footage, with the first one being public surveillance. China has successfully implemented in public facilities such as transportation, schools, workspaces, and streets. These systems are used to identify and track individuals for various security purposes, including locating wanted criminals and monitoring potential security threats. This is both to stop pre existing threats as well as to decrease the general amount of crime through tighter security and scare tactics. Secondly, public body cameras on the police, where the Chinese have prioritized the identity of the criminals and are committed to supplying law enforcement with facial recognition software. Within seconds, the cameras will be able to offer any criminal history with simply the face of an individual. These cameras can scan faces in real time and provide officers with information about individuals they encounter, including potential criminal records and outstanding warrants. And the third instance is school security. For the safety of students and staff, they've equipped the school's surveillance with facial recognition. This is not to analyze nor doubt the student's criminal history, but to notify authorities if anyone other than identified personnel walks into the building. Its purpose within schools is to avoid any intruders that can stand as a potential threat to the staff and students alike.
So, the code of ethics related to the topic are Public interest. Body cams with facial recognition can help to promote public safety by deterring crime and helping to identify and apprehend criminals. Client and employer. Body cams with facial recognition can help to protect law enforcement officers and their employers from false allegations of misconduct. Product. Body cams with facial recognition can be used to develop and evaluate new law enforcement procedures and practices. Professional duty. Body cams with facial recognition can also be used to train law enforcement officers and to provide professional review of law enforcement activities. So, in conclusion, the integration of facial recognition technology with police body cameras offers numerous benefits. It improves law enforcement's ability to prevent crime, increases police efficiency and safety, and speeds up investigations. Implementing face recognition technology into police body cams not only improves law enforcement's capacity to quickly recognize known criminals, but it also helps protect the public during regular stops and emergencies. Furthermore, it has the potential to be a strong tool in reducing officer stress and improving evidence gathering, resulting in more efficient law enforcement and a safer society. This technology has the ability to greatly improve safety of the public and police effectiveness when used responsibly.